I'm here today with the Fender California series guitar. I'm very eager to unbox this and test it out. I've been wanting to try this guitar for quite a long time because it just looks so cool. So let's unpack this and see what we get here in the box. So it's nice and sturdy, of course, as you might expect from Fender. Okay, so we have the full guitar here, booklet, and a rod adjustment tool, so that's nice, nothing too fancy here, but let's see when we unpack this. Oh, so nice. Look at that, you can get some free online lessons here from Fender, which is also very nice. And why I wanted to test this is because of like this weird looking headstock here. For an acoustic guitar it's weird, for an electric guitar it's normal, because this is like the Fender headstock that you have on the Stratocasters and the Telecasters, but here on an acoustic that just looks really, really weird. Ooh. Okay, so it sounds quite full. It has a nice body here. It's designed in California, not made, of course, because this is a cheaper budget guitar. But for a budget acoustic, it looks really nice. I mean, look at that gloss there. The finish is nice. I like the neck. It's quite glidey, so that's cool. And I think the action out of the box is okay. The action out of the box is quite nice. This is the CE version, so you also get the onboard electronics. So that's quite nice. And then here you have like your pickup, so you can even play this over an amp. So that's nice as well. Even at this price range, I think that's a great opportunity to pick up a very nice looking guitar. So I like the headstock. It's very unique looking for an acoustic, and I'm going to play this some more and then perhaps do a full review on this. And I hope this video has helped you to see what is out there and what's possible for acoustic guitars in this price range.